one. I already got two. So why not do this 20 more times? Let me do it. Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox stuff. I got a Minnie Mouse. Got a Minnie Mouse bag. It's real big. Next thing, I got a thing. Let's unbox it. I hope I get this one. But let's see which one I get. Mystery Angel. I got this one. Yo, you got this one. I think it's that one. Boris! Boris is an ice cube. Next thing. Hello Kitty. I hope I get Chromie or Samara. Yes! I got Chromie. Chromie. And what's in here? Chromie. Chromie. Two more other boxes. I hope this makes you happy, YouTube. And I don't even know, but I hope it's not Pum Pum Parum. It's Pap Dog. Pap Dog. I got Pap Dog. Pap Dog is in here. Pap Dog. I hope I can't drop these because these are hard. Last box. Hoping for cinnamon roll. I hope this is cinnamon roll. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. This is Hello Kitty. Maybe next time when I get another one of these, I get Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. 1, 2 more things. Face mask. I'm not gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this for spa. Oh no! I got cinnamon roll pin. Let me just get it out. And I also got Chromie. Cinnamon roll. Mine for Chromie. Chromie. Hello Kitty. Pap Dog. Chromie. Okay. One more item. I got this from Time Zone at points. Today's video actually, Time Zone. It's a place where I got these figures. The pins were somewhere else. Yeah, shout out Time Zone. We're having these because I'm in love with Hello Kitty. Yeah, no, this is not from, that is not from, you know, it's not from Time Zone. Bubble time. Scooby-Doo, da-da. Ta-da! Hi, today I'm doing my routine. First, I put my cat ears on it. Second, I open up this to squeeze a little bit of this. It goes on my face. Goes on my face. Kind of feels oily. That should settle for a while. I'm done.